Seeking the ultimate security camera system for your house in 2026. In today's video, we'll review two popular solutions from Reolink and Ubiquiti. Both have very distinct approaches to security. First, let's take a look at Reolink. Reolink system is focused and ease of use. Almost all cameras are connected via the app and you can install them with minimum effort. Some cameras are wireless or even have one wire installation, so you won't need any extra skills. The system provides affordable cameras with such useful features as 4K resolution, night vision, weather resistant design, and more. The price starts at $35 per one indoor camera. The system is highly scalable. However, standalone installations have limit caps based on your storage device, whereas NVR systems have up to 64 cameras capability. Video quality is high with motion detection, alerts, remote viewing, and optional cloud storage for which you can choose various subscription packages. Reolink system has some powerful new local AI features like AI Box and Almo V series that allow detecting people, vehicles, and even specific actions. On the other hand, Ubiquiti UniFi Protect is based on a system principle. In order to control the cameras, you will require an extra device such as UniFi OS console like Dream Machine, Cloud Gateway Max, or NVR. This option is ideal for large businesses and houses as it has advanced features such as PoE, fast connectivity, customizable alerts, pro level hardware, and easy to integrate into the UniFi ecosystem. Single cameras are sold starting from $79 for the starter models, while a higher quality 4K camera or the G4 Pro costs about $449 without any software limitations on the maximum number of devices that can be connected to your console. It provides high quality HD 4K video with excellent detail and night vision with an emphasis on consistency and reliability. This difference becomes clear especially while monitoring larger areas. In regard to security storage, Ubiquiti sticks only to secure local storage that requires the use of their own system and does not offer a cloud storage subscription. You can only back up your footage for free to your cloud drive, like Google Drive and OneDrive. So, which one should you choose? Reolink suits home users perfectly when you want simple, easy to use, plug and play security with different features like local storage option without any monthly payments, wireless, battery or solar power options, and smart AI detection. It is affordable, multifunctional, and nice if you need no complicated setting at all. However, it does not have such network integration and scalability as Ubiquiti has. Ubiquiti is designed for advanced users who value quality, privacy, and scalability of the entire network ecosystem. The system gives professional grade scalability, integrates seamlessly with other unified devices, has powerful remote management system, and does not require any subscriptions for local storage. However, you will need to invest more money to purchase it because of the whole system. When looking for simplicity, affordability, and easy installation, Reolink is the way to go. For the average consumer, Reolink wins in both value and versatility. If you're already using a UniFi system and are looking to scale up in performance and capabilities, then Ubiquiti is a choice for you. Test out each system and see which one is best suited for you. Be sure to share your pick in the comments section below.